This is Turtle Tracks Travels.
I think Gary started filming miles away. Okay, so we've come out the back of Adelaide up to BELAIR. There's only one place to stay at the Caravan Park. They say it's the National Park Caravan Park, but it's not National Park prices, it's Caravan Park prices. So this was $40 a night powered with water, so it's not too bad. And the BELAIR National Park is just next door, so you can walk there, you can do all the walks and stuff, which is quite nice. So it's a lovely setting to come and stay for a few nights.
And what are you eating tonight?
Hot dogs.
Hot dogs tonight. Well, what it was, we went to the pub earlier and had a couple of beers and a couple of glasses of wine.
We did.
So we thought, let's nip into Coles, get some hot dogs, some chippies, come back here, do them the Weber, have a bloody good time.
So does this involve alcohol?
No, not have nothing else to drink. No.
Anyway, we'll take you on a little tour. Let's go.
Oh, I've got to take my tour as well now.
Yeah.
Bloody hell.
So that's where we are. So it's quite a nice site. They don't want to see that. Quite a nice site. You've got surrounded by trees and stuff. They have got a bit of work going on at the moment. They're building some new cabins down that way. Oh no, someone else has got 79 just like us. Yeah, so they're doing a little bit of work here at the moment. But by the time you guys come, it'll probably all be done. Some lovely bird life. And we've got this family of ducks that keep coming around. Beautiful. Obviously there's toilets and shower block and laundry just there. They've got a nice picnic area, electric barbecues and a bin. So just a short walk around. I'll walk back to Gazza, see what he's up to. Probably sitting there on his phone. There he is. Loving life, ain't you, Gaz?
Oh yeah. Oh, there he is. Yeah, look. Ah, wagging his tail.
Just where we camp, there's some beautiful birds.
Yeah, look at him, look.
Look.
What colour. Wagging his tail, look.
Don't be too nice, he'll probably shit on the cruiser in a minute.
Yeah, and I'll have to clean off tomorrow.
Oh, the other day there was so much bird poo all over it when they come out. Oh, it's just everywhere.
I spent ages not cleaning it.
They're lovely, but no enough shit. Having a cheap night tonight, having hot dogs. How they doing, Gaz?
Lovely. Cumberland sausage tonight.
Oh, nice.
Bloody terrific, aren't
They done?
Right, tonight we have dog rolls. Look at that.
Oh, nice.
Lincolnshire sausages.
Mm.
Oh.
If you spit it down yourself, I've got evidence.
They're hot. Very hot. Right. Burn your gums.
Sometimes you've got to have a cheap night. We're sitting in the sunshine. I've got my shawl on because it's chilled off a bit. We're used to all this Queensland heat now. We've come to South Australia and it is a bit cool. Well, one day it's cool, then next day it's like heat wave. It's weird. What? Hot dog and chips. Mm.
They're the best rolls to have, aren't they?
Mm. Nice, Gaz. So next door to the campsite is the national park, which is perfect. So we've just walked round and we're going to do the waterfall hike, which is 3 hours, 6 k's return.
Yeah.
Apparently they're seasonal, so unless they've had rain here in I suppose, the last week. We're not sure because we've only been here a few days.
Hmm.
It might be a waterfall, it might be dried up.
We don't know, do we?
No,
We
but
can have a look, eh?
we're getting in training, so
That's it.
good
For
exercise.
for bigger walks.
Yeah.
Let's go and do it. Should be fun.
Starts off as a nice gentle walk through the forest.
And then you don't climb a ridge line and a mountain.
Yeah. Yeah, you need your ropes and pulleys and all that, and rock climbing experience.
Yeah. Well, apart from that, it'd be fine.
No, not really.
We don't know.
Well, we don't know. You could be using ropes and pulleys and rock climbing.
That's right. I ain't got none, so I can't use it.
You come out to the old government house, which is shut. Just to walk in, you can make a booking. But it looks quite a little pretty place. Nice gardens.
Looks alright, doesn't it?
Yeah. Let's carry on.
Up the road.
So a bit of a steady incline. Right. BELAIR is South Australia's oldest national park. It's home to kangaroos, emus, koalas, bandicoots and many bird species. Actually got views to the coast there. Don't know if you can see. Oh no, Gary's found a nice spot to have a coffee. Look, it's even got a little seat there for you, Gaz. Oh, look at that. Yeah, I think it does say Gary's seat.
And Denise's.
Doesn't look like the waterfalls are flowing, but we're going to have a look.
Rain.
Hasn't been enough rain, has there? Not in the last few days. You can see where it does flow when it's raining. Hear the cockatoos? Well, there's lots of dead trees and probably hollows that they can live. We're up here in the canopy now, up where the birds live. Look. You can hear them.
Nice, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah. Lovely. Heading down now. It's quite steep. We've come out to the lower waterfall viewing platform, so even though we don't think it's flowing, we might as well come and have a look. Oh well, it's lovely views though, Gaz, isn't it?
Oh yeah, lovely. Just nice come for a walk, isn't it?
Yeah, stretch legs.
Stretch legs a bit, yeah. It's good. Quite pleasant actually, isn't it? It's only 6k turn around. I mean, up and down a bit hilly, but I expect that. Probably a crowd down there. Good to see from here.
You can see the sea, look.
Yeah. Bit of bird life. There you go. Let's see
Oh,
that. Like a crimson one, wasn't it?
yeah. Oh, those are birds. Just not quick enough to film them.
Oh, hear them. Hey.
I'd have to be like quick draw McGraw with the camera to film them.
Oh, you never catch them. It's really hard.
No, you'd need proper wildlife cameras and stuff.
You'd have to sit for ages, wouldn't you, to catch any decent ones?
Yeah.
You can hear them, can't you?
Yeah.
You do see them, but they just fly through.
Yeah,
so
they
quick.
do fly throughs. Nice.
It is nice. Very pleasant. All you can hear is all the nice birds, and it's so peaceful. Cracking little spot. Nice little walk. Coming for a nice walk. You're up this way, BELAIR National Park. It's nice. Really nice.
Yeah.
Well, that one does.
Yeah. Oh, they're in love.
Yeah, she's going to take that one.
Mm. Lovers.
Come on.
Oh,
Here the birdies. Lovely, isn't it?
oh, it's like walking through English countryside.
Yeah, these look like blackberry bushes, don't they?
Yeah.
Thistles and that. Well, they're flowering, you know.
Yeah.
And look, you see all the bees and that. Better pollinate them. Yeah, look.
Yeah.
Here, look.
They probably are.
They look like them. What if they are? Yeah, look like that. Oh, there they are. Bees flying around. Lovely, isn't it?
Yeah.
Peaceful for here, isn't it?
Echo Tunnel. Oh, this looks interesting. Oh, there is a tunnel.
Oh no.
We got to go through there.
You sure, babe?
Yeah,
Take the rucksack off you.
this is the way. Does it echo?
I shouldn't tell you to go through. Go on,
Yeah.
you go because you've got the camera.
You won't see, but we'll see if it echoes. Oh! Hello! Oh, scary! Hello! You scared? You scared?
Oh, terrified, yeah.
Terrified. When I said there was a tunnel, I didn't actually think there was a real tunnel.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Bang your head.
Oh, this is pretty cool.
Yeah. Literally, it's pretty cool.
Coming to the end.
Yeah.
I'll film Gary coming out. Oh. Hey, you made it. That is awesome. Never come across anything like that on a walk before, have we?
No.
We survived.
I'll take my rucksack off because I'll end up dragging it on
Yeah,
the
well,
ceiling, won't I?
You're so tall, aren't you?
Yeah.